Thousands of Afghans the great trek out of Kabul, trudging across landscape for the city's prison, which lie at hills of the Khyber Pass. They came as one of the first gestures of the new Soviet involvement of Babrak Kamal, a release of 1,000 prisoners. To a population used by the massive Soviet presence, it was a political act. Some of the expectant relatives and friends as a Soviet helicopter gunship circled the prison. Others were less persuaded, throwing stones at Russian troops when asked to show patience and suddenly they were released, and there was a long column of men heading for the main gates. Vast possessions of prison life were carried in black metal boxes. Others clutched cottons that had seen them through the past 20 months. When relatives were left, there were emotional scenes. But as the prisoners reached the outer gates, of the crowd burst in. Some in patient-waited reunion, but many others searching for news of lost friends. Prisoners appeared under the past regimes of President Chok and Amin. And for some, sorrow of a wasted journey. Others against the gates of the cell block, hoping that it held the key to what had happened to their missing relatives. A few prisoners were not released. They shouted messages to their disappointed who stood outside. Even though celebration, some of the prisoners themselves were cautious about what the new life under the hood entailed. After last week, there can be few more popular gestures than the political prisoners, and it's clearly intended to support behind the new regime. And the fact that thousands of people were invited here is indication of the need of support for that new regime. But the Russians will have to do more than this if they are to pay the